Welcome to Psychology Today, and today we're delving into a lesser-known but impactful condition called Aboulomania. We'll explore effective tips and strategies to help someone who struggles with this condition. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Let's get started. Understanding Aboulomania. Aboulomania is a psychological condition characterized by pathological indecisiveness. People with Aboulomania struggle immensely with making decisions, even those that seem trivial or inconsequential. This inability to decide can stem from an overwhelming fear of making the wrong choice, intense self-doubt, or chronic anxiety. It's crucial to understand that this isn't just about being bad at making decisions. It's a debilitating condition that can severely impact a person's daily life, relationships, and overall well-being. Recognizing the signs. Recognizing the signs of Aboulomania is the first step in providing support. Individuals with this condition may frequently express uncertainty and ask for advice repeatedly on the same matter, reflecting their intense inner turmoil. They might exhibit noticeable anxiety or distress when faced with decisions, procrastinate on tasks that require choices, or avoid decision-making situations altogether. This behavior can lead to missed opportunities and a significant amount of frustration and emotional pain. Offering emotional support. Emotional support is crucial for someone with Aboulomania. It's important to validate their feelings and let them know that it's okay to feel unsure or anxious. Reassurance can significantly alleviate some of the stress they feel. Creating a safe, non-judgmental environment encourages them to express their fears and doubts without the pressure of judgment or criticism. Emotional support involves active listening, showing empathy, and being patient with their decision-making process. Encouraging small decisions. Encouraging small, manageable decisions can help build their confidence over time. Start with low-stakes choices, such as what to have for lunch or which movie to watch. These smaller decisions can act as stepping stones, gradually building their ability to make more significant decisions. It's essential to celebrate these small victories and reinforce their progress, as each successful decision contributes to reducing their fear and increasing their confidence. Breaking down decisions. Help break down larger decisions into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach can make the overall process less overwhelming. For instance, if they're deciding on a new job, break it down into steps like researching companies, listing pros and cons, and considering the potential long-term benefits. Segmenting the decision-making process, they can focus on one aspect at a time, which can make the task feel more achievable and less intimidating. Promoting problem-solving skills. Promoting problem-solving skills is another effective strategy. Encourage them to think through the decision-making process methodically. Ask guiding questions that help them consider different perspectives and possible outcomes. Teaching them techniques such as SWOT analysis, assessing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, can be particularly useful. These skills can empower them to approach decisions more logically and with less emotional distress. Seeking professional help. Professional help can be invaluable for someone with Aboulomania. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is particularly effective as it helps individuals develop healthier thought patterns and decision-making strategies. A therapist can work with them to identify and challenge the irrational thoughts that fuel their indecisiveness. Medication may also be considered if there are underlying conditions such as anxiety or depression that exacerbate their decision-making difficulties. Practicing patience and consistency. Patience and consistency are key when supporting someone with Aboulomania. Change won't happen overnight, but with persistent support and encouragement, they can gradually build the confidence to make decisions more independently. It's important to remain patient and not to rush them, as pressure can increase their anxiety. Consistently offering support and positive reinforcement can create a stable environment where they feel safe to grow and take risks. As we conclude our discussion on helping someone with Aboulomania, remember that your support, patience, and understanding can make a significant difference in their journey. Encourage them to seek professional help if needed, and continue to foster a supportive environment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Together, let's support each other on the path